Well, good morning, y'all. How y'all doing this morning? I'm tired. Look at my puffy eyes. Not a morning person, fellas. It's about 4:30 Friday morning. I think it's like September 11th. Heading for the Gulf Coast. Leaving Dallas behind, heading down to the Gulf. Go catch me some of them saltwater fish, guys. You know how we do. I'm excited. Most time you couldn't get me out of bed before about 7 o'clock. It's alright though. Well, let's get on the highway. Get me something to drink. Vamonos. See y'all down there. You guys, I know we're gonna travel. And you in Texas, you stopping at Buc-ee's. Madisonville Buc-ee's, guys. Just want to check my ice real quick. Make sure that I got plenty. Yep, we doing good. Got our food, got our drinks. Ice is holding up. Dropped off into Buc-ee's. Get me some root beer, some kolaches, and I might even throw a barbecue sandwich in the cooler for me for later. Think I will. Man, this store is just something else. Whoever come up with the idea of making a Buc-ee's, boom, had the best idea ever. Alright guys, well, got the last of it out of the truck. There it is. On my rig. So I got a couple of the PC Fun Carbon X2s on Daiwa, I think Laguna rods. This one right here is a, let's see, an Arid X medium with a 3000. Got two Lagunas of Arid X, and then over there I've got a PC Fun Serpent heavy fast action with a Chaos bait caster. Got some live shrimp. I got all my soft plastics stuff in there, my gulp underneath the seat, cooler full of food and drinks and place to put the fish, ready to get in the water. First thing I like to do is roll up on a spot and find me the ideal location. For me, the ideal location is an inlet or a cut through or creek, something like that off the main lake between the Gulf and some of these suspended lakes. Made a mistake and dropped in too far north of the Gulf. This has been a good spot for me, but not in the summer, I guess. 90-degree surface temperatures and a low tide. After about 15,000 casts, I moved out and put some shrimp on an oyster bed and caught about a dozen gaff tops. Alright, here we go, guys. Got something decent. Probably another gaff top based on fishing here the remainder of the afternoon. He's rolling like a catfish. But those reds pull too, which kind of feels like a roll. Let's see what he is. I can't see him. Another gaff top. That's a nice one. Golly. That's a real nice one. That's a real nice one. Alright. Well, it's a gaffy day. It's a gaffy day. I know, I hear you. Golly. Let's go. That's a gaffy right there. They call them sailfin gaff top. Nice fish though, and they taste good. They're good eating. Good eating fish. Well, one thing we know is out here a lot is a bunch of gaff tops. We're here at Luck in the Bucket. Y'all know we gonna come to luck in the bucket. Y'all don't know.
You want a bucket?
Look at there.
No,
Look at there.
what you got on the side? What you got right there?
What? What you got?
BB gun?
Oh!
Yeah, it's just a little small 45.
Hey, you might rinse that out.
I got you.
Well, that's how you gotta do it.
Yep.
I got a 9 in the back seat, so.
Yes, sir.
Cool, man. Good to see y'all.
Oh, yeah. Y'all got them there, no? Yeah. How much are they? $12. See, he got them $12.
Alright, man. Let's get our butts on the water. Gotta go catch some fishes. Fishes. Just got a hit. Uh-oh, fish on. Yes, sir. Finally got something. I hope he's a keeper. Since I ain't had too good of luck today. Hadn't had too good of luck today. It's a red. It's a red. It's a red dog. Ah, yeah. He's not a keeper, though. Dadgummit, guys. Not a keeper. He's a little rat red. Tore off the tail, too. First little red of the day. Look at that pretty little sucker. Well, guys, what were we looking for? But now we know something in here. Now we know. Now we know some of those suckers are in here. That's all we needed to know. That's all we needed to know. Are they here? Are any of them here? They are here. Well, one of them was here anyway. Fish on! On the chicken boy! I can get it in the net. Trout on a chicken boy! Yes, sir. I don't know what that is. Probably a crab. I want it to be a fish. It's probably a crab. It's a fish. Oh, little trout. Look at that little trout. I think that's a sand trout. That's not a speckled trout. I think that's a sand trout. Still, I'll take a sand trout. I'll take whatever wants to bite my bait. Sand trout, gator trout. I'd rather have a gator trout. Ooh, storm's moving in. Figures. Every time I come down here, storm's moving in. Drive me crazy. Can't fish. Can't fish for the baloney. Let's see if we can make it back to the truck where lightning strikes us. I laid all my rods down so I don't have a lightning rod sticking up. Boom. There we go, guys. Drugging out of the drug it out of the shipping channel. That's how you do that. Snap all this up, get loaded, or we end up getting